Hello my friends, this is Linol Anderson here with you guys with a brand new YouTube BitChute video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about this whole monkeypox global health crisis just being declared by the World Health Organization. And we're going to get into how this is not a global health crisis, not yet anyhow, and how this is all part of an NWO agenda that's going to be massive here. If we don't stop it. So we're going to get right to that, my friends. But before I do, I'm just going to encourage everybody to subscribe if you're new. As I say, subscribe to survive. I covered all from NWO, secret societies, occult, extraterrestrials, UFOs, much more. And also hit that like button. It'll help me out with the algorithms. And I would appreciate that if you did that. And also check out karmarocks.net for the best crystals around that you could get, and these are beautiful Orgonite Pyramids that you can purchase. Helps block EMF 5G radiation. It's made with real copper and magnetic powder, not like these cheap ones that don't even work with the aluminum. And you can get it customized any color you want, any designs you want. It's absolutely wonderful, my friends. karmarocks.net, link is in the description. Now let's get to the video. So, the World Health Organization just got together a few days ago to talk about monkeypox to see if they should call it a global health crisis, which is the highest alert threat level to humanity, which means restrictions and all of these things, recommendations they want countries to do. So, they got together and they put it to a vote, yeah? They want to vote on it with all the members in the World Health Organization or whatever. So 9 people voted against it, said this is not a global health crisis. And then 6 people voted it is a global health crisis. So there you go. There's the vote. The experts spoke. It's not a global health crisis. But then scumbag, dirtbag Tedros comes in and says, well, I gotta intervene. I think it is a global health crisis, so it doesn't matter what you guys say. I'm declaring it a global health crisis. What the hell was the point of doing the vote then, Tedros? If you're not even gonna listen to your own experts. You're just gonna ignore what they say. Okay, you guys don't think it is, I think it is one. So I'm calling it global health crisis. Everybody freak out, we got a global health crisis. Okay, well, let's look at the statistics of what this global health crisis is, my friends. So how many people are on Earth? 8 billion, 7.5 billion, who knows now with what they're depopulating us. So let's just say 7.58 billion people. Guess how many people have died from monkeypox? This is gonna scare you guys. I'm sorry, I hate to spread the fear porn, my friends, but 5 people have died from monkeypox. Oh my God, 5 people died of monkeypox. More people die from friggin' eating a peanut. But that's a global health crisis, I guess. Okay, and guess what? All those deaths in Africa, which Africa has been fighting monkeypox for decades, and they have a much more severe version of it, but still 5 people. Woo. So everything in North America and Europe, it's all been pretty mild cases. People recover. And guess how many cases there are worldwide, my friends? 16,000 cases. Oh, geez. Out of 8 billion people, we got 16,000 people with monkeypox. What a crisis. Oh my goodness. Not to mention, it's all in the LGBTQ community, gay and bisexual men. For the most part, 98% of cases are gay, bisexual men, spread through sexual contact. Okay? So it's not even like it's affecting everybody. It's affecting a minority, not a majority. And at the end of the day, it's just another sexually transmitted thing. It's not a crisis. Although, I will argue that it could be actually a side effect from that thing that they wanted you to get with the last scam. But anyways, so there you go. How's that a crisis? It's not a crisis at all. It's total bull. It's total BS. And anybody who buys it and believes that this is something to be scared about is a moron idiot. with no common sense, brainwashed. And Tedros even said himself that the whole purpose of this is because the thing they want you to get, I can't say it here, is scarce. They can't get those things because it's not an emergency. So they're doing this so they could get more things that they want you to get. That's right. It's all about the things they want you to get, right? So they want to scare people, and they want them to take that thing. And I guarantee you, once they start rolling out that thing for the monkeypox, then we will start seeing people dying. That they'll then blame, oh, it's a new variant of monkeypox. Ooh, right? When really it's that thing that they want you to get. You know, that's why I say anybody who falls for this is an idiot at this point, my friends. If they fell for the last thing, they keep getting all their things, keep getting every booster that comes out, and then this comes out, even though, only 15,000 people, only 5 deaths, but, I gotta get it, the news said so. So where are they going with this, my friends? Well, they did a simulation. What was it, last year or maybe a few years ago? Yeah, before this monkeypox thing even shows up in all these North American countries, they did a simulation for monkeypox, a what-if scenario. And they ran a simulation if monkeypox spread. And by the end of the simulation, it affected 3 billion people, and they had 245 million people dead from the monkeypox in their simulation that they just ran a couple years ago. And convenient how all of a sudden, a year later, and now monkeypox is a global health crisis. What convenient timing for their simulation, right? And it's interesting because they did a simulation if corona thing spread. That's right, it was called Event 201 before the last scam happened, right? And what ended up unfolding once the scam happened was exactly what happened to their simulation. It unfolded the exact same way. So it's so obvious at this point. The elites are just putting it right in our faces. And they know the general public are too stupid to look into it and do their own research and put pieces together. They're too stupid. They don't care. They know that. So at the end of the day, that's where they're going with it. And like I said, it's clear that this monkeypox crap is not a threat to anybody. It's probably just a almost said that. It's probably just a side effect from the thing that they want you to get, right? And at the end of the day, that's what they're shooting for. 3 billion to be affected, 245 million people gone. But of course, the people ain't gonna start dropping until, they take that thing, So you may be asking, well, it's mostly just gay and bisexual men, so how are they gonna scare everybody? Because most people will be like, I'm not gay, so I'm not a gay man, so I don't have to worry about it. Well, already they're starting to say, this form of monkeypox is behaving unusual, unlike any other form of monkeypox we've ever seen. And now they're reporting, children are starting to get it through other ways, that obviously not sexual ways, right? So how are the kids getting it? And some women are getting it. That's going to be the next thing. It's a new variant of the monkeypox, right? And this time it spreads. How does it spread? Just like the last scam spread, right? Through the mouth, through germs. Oh, God, everybody, you gotta wear the mask again. We got a lockdown. That's right. See, what's going on is the people aren't buying the C-19 bullcrap anymore. They're not. Most people don't care anymore. People don't want their boosters. They've thrown over 1 billion boosters in the past month all around the world because nobody's going for it. People are done. They're done with it. They're done. So the elites say, we need something else now, right? something to scare people. So let's try another one, let's try the monkeypox, and that's what they're doing, and that's where they're going with this. So you could see in the coming weeks, months, more cases, and they've already started the mass thing they want you to get campaign. It's hundreds of people are already lining up. There's big lines to get it. So soon you will start seeing some deaths, and they'll start saying, "Oh, see, it's the monkeypox." And then at the end of the day, my friends, they're gonna come out and say, "Oh, it's not just the gay and bisexual men anymore who are getting it. It's children." They always use it. It's the children. They like to scare people by using the children, right? The children are getting it now. Oh, everybody, panic. And then it's going to be everybody's getting it. And then watch, they'll bring back the mask mandates. They'll bring back the lockdowns, all of that. They're going to lock us down again. And they're not throwing away their last scam. They're already talking about the Ninja variant. That's the most dangerous variant yet. They're saying, oh, it's the most easily spread, the worst one yet, Ninja. So we got the original scam with the 19. We got the monkeypox. And don't forget, they're trying to eradicate polio too, which they call the global health crisis too. So we got 3 different scams going on at once now. They're just desperate, right? So how do we stop all this? We don't comply, right? You don't wear the friggin' mask if they tell you to wear the mask. You don't frickin' stay home. What you do is you put this finger up and you say, go F yourself. That's what you do. And you don't be a coward. And you be a real man. And if you're not a man, you grow a set of balls anyways and you just do it. Choice is yours. Do you want to be locked down again? Do you want to have to wear a mask all the time again? Do you want to get exterminated and see a mass extermination take place? Because that's what's going to happen if everybody does it. Now, some people are just too brainwashed to even handle themselves, So we know there's going to be the idiots out there who, oh, I'm going to go get it. Ooh. And they're going to go and get it. They're already out there lining up to get it. And for those people, what do I say? I say, well, let the culling begin. That's right. Oh, sounds harsh, right? Oh, I know that sounds harsh that you say that. Sorry. The cleansing is taking place, my friends. And those who have the low IQs, those who are brainwashed, it is what it is. We tried to warn them. We warned them many times and they laughed in our faces. They won't listen. There's no way we can help them anymore. So just let it be. Just let it be. And that's what's going to happen. The earth is going to be cleansed of all the people. It's survival of the fittest, It's survival of the most intelligent. And at the end of the day, the earth is cleansing itself. And what it comes down to is it might need to happen. But as long as we defeat the NWO in the process, if we can do that as this culling takes place, then, my friends, we're looking at a golden age and the earth filled with the mass awakening. The people who said no, the people who didn't put poison into their bodies without doing any research. And we're looking at a much better future for humanity. As sad as that is, with all the innocent people who aren't going to make it, which may be your friends, your family, which that's sad. I know I have friends and family too who just won't listen. So it's sad, I'm not saying it's not sad, but it's what's going to happen because they won't stop taking poison. So, end of the day, we just need to defeat Klaus Schwab and Jacob Rothschild and those dirty lizards. And if we can do that, my friends, we might have to start from the Stone Age again because we know they're going to turn all the power off. But we have a chance. We have a real opportunity at the Great Awakening turning into an ascension process and a golden age, a golden era where the earth is cleansed of the evil, of the brainwashed, the ignorant, the evil, and repopulated with awakened, enlightened ones. And at the end of the day, that sounds like a beautiful situation at the end, you know? So that's what we got to hope for. Let's fight those bastards. Let's not let them win, my friends. We can't let them get away with the Great Reset. All right, so just say no, do not comply. It's very important. And my friends, that's about it. So subscribe if you enjoyed this information. And check me out on Patreon if you want more. I'm doing tons of exclusive content down there. Got different classes you could take. The link is in the description. Hope to see you down there. My friends, have a good one. Linol signing off.